बहुत मस्त है मौसी. Oh my god. This is the original popsicle. Welcome back. I hope you're doing well and आप अपनी वैक्सीन्स ले रहे हैं जैसे आपको अवेलेबल हो जाए. मैंने आपको शायद नहीं बताया है लेकिन I've taken my second vaccine. That was June के last week में. So let's move on to this vlog now. I want to talk to you about seasonal fruits, especially for monsoons. In the past few years, I've actually become really fond of fruits. I wasn't like that. पहले मुझे मिठाइयों का बहुत शौक हुआ करता था. I had a sweet tooth and यहाँ पुणे में आकर actually I became chocoholic for a few years. I used to hate chocolates earlier and suddenly I had this craving for chocolates constantly. But I gave up all of a sudden and I'm so thankful that I did it back then. But after my tumor, in fact, I became all the more careful to eat a lot of fruits, especially going into fresh foods, fresh fruit and vegetables. In fact, my father would be so proud of me today, really, because he used to be very, very fond of fruits and he would keep insisting that I have fruits. I have to tell you this story. In fact, not a story really, but while I was in college, every night after dinner, Dad would serve fruits, a platter of fruits, all the seasonal fruits. I would be watching TV and he'd just keep a plate in front of me and just gently kind of remind me like, cow, cow. And I'd be like, yeah. And I'm forking it all up until I would be full right up to here and be like, enough. And he'd have this wicked smile on his face. I made you eat fruits. The best part is before you get bored of one particular variety of fruits, you'll find a bunch of new fruits available in the market, in fact flooding the market. कभी कभी नई दुकान खुल जाती है fruits की. I mean mangoes है, strawberries है, all the berries. So there's just so much of variety really that you'll never be bored. In fact, did you know there are fruits for every month? I mean, nature just has a whole buffet to place in front of us, and it just makes it so simple for us to stay healthy naturally. Do you know what? I'm going to put down the whole list of fruits and vegetables according to the calendar in the description box below this video itself. आपको हर महीने की vegetables and fruits यहीं पर ही मिल जाएगी, so you can make a note for yourself. हर महीने आप उस हिसाब से fruits and vegetables खाएं. That is your perfect health diet plan, nothing better. But if I miss out on any of the vegetables or fruits, please do let me know in the comment box below this video. In fact, you'll be doing a favor for me and any of the other viewers as well then. Of course, I'm talking about Indian fruits and vegetables, so that's stuff that you can get locally. You don't have to get imported food items then, and that happens to be the most sustainable manner to eat really. And while the rainy season brings us relief from the summer heat, and of course water for us growers, very important to us in the farm or garden, बारिश के पानी से काफ़ी बीमारियां भी आ जाती हैं, immunity कम हो जाती है, especially because of the waterborne diseases. And then there are other health issues like allergies, asthma, flu, and viral fever. I'm not even talking about the kind of virus we have going around right now. That's a separate thing. So I also want to share with you a monsoon diet plan with tips for what you should be eating and what you should avoid. But ये वीडियो कुछ ज़्यादा ही लंबा हो जाएगा आई थिंक. And I want to show you a recipe also. That's something made from mangoes which are kind of on their way out right now. So we're enjoying the last of them. So I'm going to put the other stuff in the description box below. तो आपको annual calendar मिल जाएगा with all the fruits and vegetables for every month. और उसके अलावा मॉनसून डाइट प्लान, जो चीज़ें आपको इस टाइम पर स्पेशली नाउ जुलाई अगस्त सितंबर कुछ चीज़ें जो इंक्लूड करनी चाहिए आपके खाने में, कुछ चीज़ें जो आपको नहीं इंक्लूड करनी चाहिए. सो कीप देम आउट ऑफ योर डाइट फॉर द मॉनसून पीरियड. And you'll find that down below also in the description box itself. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet done that. So I'll meet you after this in the kitchen with the new recipe with me and Maushi. Pema chali aage, leading us. Pema the leader. Chalo chalo. Meeting up neighbors. Hi. Chalo chalo chalo. Just saw a couple of my neighbors out doing their errands. Somebody in the front garden, somebody cleaning up the bikes, and Pema here checking out. कौन आया था Pema? This is their Facebook wall. So Maushi is going to make amras today. I am learning this for the first time also. ये गावरा नाम है ना?
केसरी अम्बाई.
केसरी है. मेरे को बोला गावरा नाम है ये. Look at this, it's so red. Looks like an apple. इसको ऐसे ऐसे करके पूरा जूस निकालने का ना? So all the mangoes going to come out. ऐसे हम खाते थे स्कूल में. उसको चूस के पूरा we would suck it like a popsicle. मैं लेती हूँ ये कभी, तुम करते रहो. I'm trying this after after a whole lifetime literally.
गोड़े ले गोड़े.
अच्छा है. थोड़ा खट्टा है, थोड़ा अम्बट है, पर मीठा भी है. Open it up like this a little more. बहुत मस्त है मौसी. Oh my god. This is the original popsicle. Nothing beats eating fruits the way they were meant to eat, directly.
उल्टा करके कप. ऐसा ऐसा तो मरने का. ऐसा तो मरने का.
मरने का मतलब?
ऐसा जोड़ के लेने का.
उसको ऐसे प्रेस करने का. Okay, मराठी also included here. हम इंग्लिश, हिंदी एंड मराठी तीनों भाषाओं में बोलते हैं. Peppy, you want to eat some? Come.
निकल.
अच्छा है. ओके, अभी दूध डालना है इसमें.
दोनों का कितना भी खाए ना तो कुछ नहीं होता. कुछ पानी में जो है ना तो ऐसा ये होता है. खाने में पेट में त्रास होता.
पानी में धोया तो अच्छा.
दूध में कितना भी रस खाया ना कुछ नहीं होता.
ओके. तो आमरस तो दूध के साथ ही अच्छा लगता है.
तुमने डाला है क्या? ये तो कुछ बाहर भी नहीं आया.
थाली लिया है छोटा वाला.
मग ऐसा खोल
बड़ा लेने का.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
दूध
थोड़ा सा
अभी ये गावरन है तो उसका मतलब उसमें वो पेस्टिसाइड्स वगैरह भी नहीं होते हैं ना, दवाई नहीं डालता होगा ना गावरन आंबा में?
नहीं डालता।
हाँ, so that's a good thing. Eating natural is absolutely the best thing really, and eating in season, the most important thing. So that's all of it, and we're going to watch the rest of the process now.
I had this little pupper coming and sitting here, joining us in the kitchen. Hey, Pepe, you need a walk?
Okay, she's using the whisk like Ravi. मेरे पास रवि नहीं है ना एक्चुअली, वो टूट गया था वो।
आम में कहीं है ना फोड़ने का उसको।
उसका रस ऐसा डांट है ना। So there are chunks of the mango pulp which is breaking up. इसको अगर मिक्सी में भी कर सकते हैं ना,
हाँ बहुत अच्छा मिक्सर में
ब्लेंड करना भी अच्छा हो जाएगा ये। लेकिन इसमें ऐसे करेंगे तो एक्चुअली थोड़े छोटे छोटे चंक्स बीच में आ जाएंगे, है ना, छोटे पीसेस आ जाएंगे। लेकिन अगर पूरा उसको ब्लेंड नहीं कर देंगे तो थोड़े से चंक्स, हाँ ऐसे थोड़े से चंक्स रह जाएंगे तो दैट्स इवन बेटर एक्चुअली। लाइक जैसे मैंगो शेक में लेते हैं, थोड़े से पीसेस आ जाते हैं, लिटिल बिट ऑफ चंक्स इन योर मैंगो शेक makes it more tasty. It's the same way I think even with amras, which is actually mango pulp with a little bit of milk mixed in with it. Of course, I can't give you the exact recipe because Maushi's made it right here in front of us. उसको और दूध नहीं लगेगा अभी?
गट्ट लगता है ना तो खाना।
हाँ, नहीं तो पतला हो जाता है।
हाँ।
ओके।
पूरे संग
हाँ,
खाने का तो ऐसा
पूरी के साथ, चपाती के साथ में।
हाँ
So this is what it looks like. I don't have natural light in the kitchen, so it looks a little yellowish. But trust me, it is mango colored. थोड़ा खट्टा टेस्ट आ रहा है, खट्टा मीठा अच्छा लगता है एक्चुअली। आई थिंक आई लाइक इट दिस वे। मुझे ज़्यादा मीठा पसंद भी नहीं आता एक्चुअली। You want this? Oh. Let me give it a little taste. Oh. Pima, you like it? खट्टा लगा उसको, खट्टा लगा, अम्बट लगा उसको ना। Slightly tangy. वो नहीं खाएगी। Amras is actually not a part of Sindhi cuisine, so this is something new to me. The first time I ate amras, in fact, was in Baroda. Well, I was at the university there, and I just loved it. But उसके बाद से मैंने कभी एक या दो बार ही खाया है मौशी। आज मौशी के हाथ से खाया है। So I hope you've enjoyed this blog post, and अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो आप मुझे बताएं, और नहीं अच्छा लगे या कुछ और देखना चाहते हैं आप तो वो भी मुझे बताएं प्लीज़। कहाँ बताएंगे? कमेंट्स बॉक्स में below this video itself. And thank you so much for staying with me. I'll see you soon again.